guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sean from RYFT, and today we're here at beautiful, sunny Southern California. We're at Innovative Autocraft. They're installing our new HYPR system package for the Porsche 992 GT3RS. So come on, let's take a look at our system. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our new HYPR system for the 992 GT3RS. So if you look down below, we have our titanium performance system, valved option. For the HYPR system, we really utilize state-of-the-art 3D printing technology. And you can see that from our headers. We use Inconel 625 for the collectors and 321 stainless steel for the flanges. Also, we source a 200 cell CAT, HJS Catalytic Converter straight from Germany. So no check engine lights there. Additionally, we do have a race system that eliminates the valve. So it's a full straight pipe experience. So two options for clients to choose from. So all in all together, our new HYPR system package saves a total average of 35 pounds over the OEM exhaust system. All right, now that we've shown you the HYPR system package for the GT3RS, it's a reminder that this system is a complete bolt-on. So no modifications needed, no extra welding, no cutting, no Mickey Mouse jobs, just direct bolt-on. So now that we've shown you the system, we're gonna stop bothering the boys at Innovative Autocraft. We're gonna let them get back to work. And then after that, we're gonna let you guys hear how it really sounds. All right, now that the guys at Innovative are done with the install, we're about to fire her up and finally hear that 4-liter sing. Afterwards, we're gonna take it on a little test drive and a staple of Southern California, Angeles Crest. So stay tuned. so it's a brand new day. The guys over at Innovative Autocraft went ahead and bunched everything up on the 992 GT3RS. And we just finished up some canyon runs on a California staple, Mountain Road. So if you guys also want a Hyper system package for your 992 GT3 or GT3RS, all the links will be down below in the description box. And make sure you guys go ahead and follow Innovative Autocraft and RYFT, and all the links will be down below.